In this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock/protect your Google Drive folder/file. By the end, you'll have your folder or file restricted to specific people with the correct access levels, downloads, and copies disabled for viewers, and editor permission changes blocked for Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. First, restrict access. In Google Drive, locate the folder or file you want to protect. Right-click it, then click Share. In the Share window, look for General Access. Set it to restricted so it's not available to anyone with the link. Now add only the people who should have access. In the Add People in Groups field, type their email addresses, select each contact from the list, and keep General Access set to restricted. This ensures that only the people you add can open the folder or file. When you're ready, confirm to apply the changes. If you see any names or groups you don't recognize, remove them now to avoid unintended access. Next, set permissions. Still in the Share window, check each person you just added. To the right of their name, open the drop-down and choose the correct access level. Choose Viewer if you want them to see the content but not edit it. Choose Commenter if you want them to leave comments without changing the original. Choose Editor if they need full control, including editing and organizing files. Pick the lowest level that fits what they need. This helps protect your Google Drive folder or file while still letting people do their work. Now, add extra protection by disabling download, print, and copy for viewers. In the same Share window, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Turn off the option labeled Viewers can download, print, copy. This prevents viewers from saving local copies, printing, or copying the content directly from Drive. If you also see an option for commenters, this setting covers them as well. Your screen should now show that the download, print, and copy option is off. Click Done to save. Don't worry if you need to change this later. You can come back to the gear at any time to re-enable it. At this point, you've locked down shared access and tightened viewer controls. If you're working with a Google Doc, Google Sheet, or Google Slides file, there's one more step to prevent editors from changing your sharing settings. Open the specific doc, sheet, or slide so it's on screen. Click Share in the top right corner to reopen the Share window, then click the Settings gear icon again. Now disable the option that says Editors can change permissions. This stops editors from inviting others or altering access levels. Confirm the change and click Done. Your sharing settings are now protected and only you and other owners can modify them. To quickly review, the file or folder should show general access as restricted. Only the specific people you added will appear in the list, each with the viewer, commenter, or editor role you selected. In the settings, the download, print, and copy option for viewers is turned off, and for Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, the option for editors to change permissions is disabled. If anything doesn't look right, reopen Share and adjust the access level next to each person rather than changing general access. Once that's done, your Google Drive folder or file is now locked and protected. Access is restricted to selected people, permissions are set appropriately, viewer downloads and copies are disabled, and for Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, editors can't change your sharing settings. Your protected setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.